Today we're going to be looking at carbon fiber mirrors for the C8 Corvette, and they're not going to be the typical covers that you see everywhere for aftermarket. No, these are going to be full replacements, so you're going to get that OEM fit and finish, all in today's video. So thanks for tuning in, guys. So the C8 Corvette is all jacked up, ready to go, and we have our special box here along with a lot of other mods that are going to get installed in future videos. But today we are focused on this little box right here. It comes from Extreme Online Store. It is their full replacement carbon fiber mirror piece. And guys, I know this is one of the most common pieces on the C8 Corvette that you could put carbon fiber. And there's been tons that are just like simple covers, but they kind of stick out a little bit. It's not perfect finish sometimes or a perfect fit. And this though is a complete replacement. So you're gonna get that OEM fit and finish that is gonna make it that's gonna really make your Corvette really stand out, look like it's fully complete from the factory. And this is going to fit not only the C8 Z06, which we're gonna put this on, but your Stingray or E-Ray as well. So let's get looking at what's in this box. Alrighty, opening up this box very carefully with this freaking utility knife. Let's see what we got here. Now, Extreme Online Store is one of those companies where you really are getting the best bang for your buck. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome. We do a whole bunch of different Corvette product reviews and such, and Extreme Online Store is one of our favorites to work with. They bring very, very good products at a very competitive price. Honestly, it's some of the best prices I've seen for aftermarket pieces, and this is gonna be no exception. So let's see. So the packaging, they have it nicely tidied up in good packaging in regards to keeping it safe from getting damaged on your way to you. Let's just kind of unravel this kind of like a present at this point. Keeps on going. All right, let's see. Let's take this one right here and take a look at it. So again, this is the carbon fiber full replacement piece here. I know it's probably not getting caught well in the actual garage lighting right now, but I promise you the finish looks really, really good. And it is a full carbon fiber piece. If you look on the back, you can see the carbon fiber weave along with all the actual pieces that where it would connect. This again is a full replacement piece. So we are going to remove the old OEM mirror section and then put this one on, and it should be a simple take that one out and plug this one in. No kind of screws or anything necessary. All you're gonna really need are a couple of trim tools, and we'll kind of show you the process of what that looks like to install. So overall, really, really good. Happy with this one right here. Let's take a look at the other one real quick. If I can get it out of the bag. And I'm currently struggling. All right, cool, perfect. So we have the other piece out here, and again, another really, really nice finish on here. I am definitely liking how these are looking, and I'm very curious to see how they fit on here, because I mean, it looks like they figured out the solution to use a high-grade epoxy to basically put on all these different tabs that are going to match just like the OEM. I mean, that is the only way you're gonna really be able to get these kind of pieces to fit, since it is a carbon fiber piece. It's not like how the OEMs where it's injection molded and then they do a final paint over and carbon flash. These, the only way to get it is to do the carbon fiber first and then put all the attachment points. But they all look very sturdy. A lot of detail went into trying to make sure that these are going to stay where they need to stay in regards to on your car. Now these retail for $289 on their website, which is a fantastic deal for full replacement pieces. These aren't just the simple covers, these are full replacement pieces. So for the money that you're spending, these are really good. The finish looks great, and I am definitely excited to put these on. So now that we showed you these pieces, let's go ahead and install them on the car. So alrighty guys, so we finished installing the carbon fiber mirror replacement pieces and they look really, really good. I'll have some outside footage in the sunlight so you can really see them and appreciate them. Now the install was not too bad on these. It was actually pretty reasonable. The only thing I would say is that you have to be very careful with the tabs that are on these carbon fiber pieces. They can get bent pretty easily, and if they get bent while you're trying to force it in there, it's not gonna fit and line up to actually get secure. The moment I personally realized that was when the install became night and day in regards to trying to put this on. It took me less than a minute to do each side kind of deal. So something to keep in mind is just to make sure when you're doing, like when you're installing these, you make sure that the tabs are straight in regards and they're not bent or anything like that. And these are pretty flexible that you can kind of work with them a little bit, manipulate. I figured out kind of bending it slightly outward as I'm installing this, going this direction. That made a huge difference to getting it in there, fitting perfectly, and then having to use a little bit of force. That's why I have these special vinyl gloves actually, so I can just kind of gently push in to get these two little spots right here, those notches to actually line up and secure. Once I did that, it's done. So, and there's no issues in regards to the movement, whether because these will fold in. There's no kind of interruptions with that. It's a perfect OEM fit and I absolutely love it. So I'll have links in the description below so you could check it out if you're interested for your ride. Again, these will fit all the different C8 Corvette variants, whether it's your regular Stingray, Z06 or E-Ray, or well, the ZR1 when it comes out. But in any case, yeah, I really do recommend these products. It is the way to go for the price point compared to going like OEM or maybe some of these other ones where it's just maybe like a cover. It's not, this is a full replacement piece. I mean, like literally, here is my OEM piece in carbon flash that this is now replaced. So like I said, I definitely recommend these. They are a great little add-on piece that you can really just do in your garage. You don't have to go to a dealership or anything like that. So there's a ton of different mods that we're gonna be adding on to the C8 Corvette that I'm really excited about. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, I definitely encourage you to subscribe because there's gonna be a lot of fun stuff going on. But in any case, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, please check out any of my other videos and we'll see you next time. Take care, guys.